the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm so holding on to something, you should go and love you. Yeah, 'cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm so holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Pakpak siguro tagamay mga sir, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And of course, to feel the Sinulog vibe, there's actually a free face painting in front of the Ruma. So to those who want to get messy. Puso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba to? Mukhang gago, nagkantara pa sa pagkanta. At nasisinto na to sa kaba. Meron pang dalang mga rosas, suot na may maong nakupas. At nariyan pa ang barkada, nakaporma, nakabaro sa awiting naipang -1 at sing along. If you know the words, sing along. Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y mababalik. Giliwan sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang
And show me the way. Though a voice is not a courage, not a heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Play your room at the Hotel California, and it's obvious you can find it here. Right, her body still fine and twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. Her stick-on friends. How they dance in a courtyard, a sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I killed off the captain. Please bring me my wine. We haven't the spirit here since 1969. Yeah, still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Living up at the Hotel California, what a night surprise, bringing alibis, mirrors in the ceiling, the big champagne on ice. And she said, we're all just prisoners here of our own device. In the master's chambers, they gathered for the feast. They stab it with their stealing knives, but it just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running through the door. I had to find a passage back to the place I was before. Relax at night, we are programmed to receive. You can check it anytime you like, but you can never leave, yeah. Oh. Alright, next song. Kung wala kang... Joke. Here we go.
Cheers sa Tagamay.
Once again, Sound Square 2, thank you so much.
Magiging akin, di ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong di ka lolokohin ng puso kong nang mamahal. At kung ako'y papalari na ako iyong mahal na rin, pangakong ikaw lang ang ibigin magpagkailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong damdamin. Kaya na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin.
Close your eyes, you can hear City Navarro.
Ako'y mamalasin at meron ka ng ibang mahal, ngunit patuloy ang aking pag-ibig magpagkailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong damdamin. Kaya na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Kung ako'y mamalasin at meron ka ng ibang mahal, ngunit patuloy ang aking pag-ibig magpagkailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo ang iyong damdamin. Kaya na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong damdamin. Kaya na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Para sa akin. Thank you.
Alright, by the way, we're gonna play a tribute for one of my idols, Michael Jackson. This song is all about love, peace, respect, just to make the world a better place. If you want to make it happen, start with the man of the mirror. I'm gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turn up the cooler on, my favorite winter coat. This wind is blowing my mind. See the kids in the street, love you, and a little weed. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see that need? As summer's disregard, a broken bottle top, and a one-man show. They follow each other, not when you know, 'cause they got nowhere to go. That's why I want you to know I'm starting with the man in the mirror. Ooh, I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make a road about the place, take a look at yourself, then make a change. Ooh. But selfish kind of love, that is how I realize there's someone home that they get alone. But if you really me, standing nothing not alone. I will deeply scarred somebody's broken heart and one shattered dream. They follow the pattern of the wind you see, 'cause they got no place to be. That's why it's starting with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. You gotta get to up, but you got yourself. You need to blow your mind, the man, the man, the man, the man, the man. Ooh, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make up a change. Na 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 na. Make the world a better place. Peace, love, respect. Always remember that. Make a change. Inani kakapoy mangita kwarta.
Alright, so we'll do an OPM for y'all.
Please sing with us, guys. Please, please, please.
Sa hindi inaasahan, pagtatagpo ng mga mundo, ay minsan lang na naputo, damang-dama na ang ito. Di pa ba sapat na sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararanasin? Ibinubunyag ka ng iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta. Ba't di pa patulan pagsuyong nagkulang? Tayo umaasa, hilag at kalong.
Kapayapaan, kapayapaan, kapayapaan. Uno, dos, tres. Kapayapaan, 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 kapayapaan. Mundo natin, hati-hati, pag-isahin natin muli. Thank you so much. Reggae vibration. Feel the good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes.
I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with a roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter. Oh, my sweet same room. Jah provides the bread. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
That I'm feeling.
Is this love?
Is this love?
Is this love? Love that I'm feeling? Whoa. I wanna know now. I've got to know now. I'm willing and able, so I drew my cards on your table. You see, I wanna love you, I wanna love and treat you right. I wanna love you
Every day and every night.
we'll be together. With the roof right over our heads, we'll share the shelter.
On my single time.
We'll share the same room. Jah provides the bread. Is this love? Is this love? Love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Love that I'm feeling? Oh, I wanna know now. I've got to know now. I'm willing and able, so I drew my cards on your table. See, I wanna love you, I wanna love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together. With the roof right over our heads, we'll share the shelter. Hold my single bed, hold my single bed, hold my single bed.
Thank you so much. Pasilong, guys. Alright, we're gonna play the last piece for tonight, guys. Hope to see you next time with the band Accousintech one more time, and of course time Square too. Thank you so much. And to my families and friends, thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Thank you. Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am. Working so hard, pushing my card. Haters for what? Won't tell me what I got. I got this feeling, this life just holding me down. I hit the ceiling, or else I'll tear up this sound. Tonight I gotta go loose. Footloose, kick off your Sunday shoes. Please, Louis, pull me off of my knees. Jack, get back. Come on, we crack. Lose your blues. Everybody go full loose. Playing so cool, open every room, dip way down in your heart. You're burning, yearning for somebody to tell you the life ain't passing you by. I'm trying to tell you, it will if you don't even try. You get by if you wanna go loose. Loose, kick off the Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me off of my knees. Oh, my loose. Come on, let's go. Lose your blues. Everybody go loose. Whoa, whoa. We come to turn me around. I put your feet on the ground, and now you hold your soul. A round of applause one more time, guys. Beat Senor. Thank you so much, Senor Santo Niño, for everything. And of course, good health always. See you next year, guys. Sinulog yapon. And of course, enjoy the rest of the evening. And tonight I gotta get loose, for loose. Kick off your Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me out from my knees. Jack, get back. Come on, we crack. Lose your blues. Everybody got full loose. Accousintech signing off. Thank you so much. Much love and respect, Times Square.